Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video I am going to show you how to crop image in Word laptop. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document on our laptop. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose a picture on our laptop. Then insert it. Now we can see here we insert a picture on our laptop in Microsoft Word document. Then we go to the format menu and click crop option. Then crop this picture easily. Now we can see here we crop image in this Word document very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.